Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to YOLO with AB. I'm Antara, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how you can make the perfect mango shake at home, like in the easiest way possible. Firstly, thank you so much for so much love in my Oreo shake video. For those who haven't watched my Oreo shake and my Oreo cake video, watch them right after this video because I'll be mentioning them in the I button above, and also I'll be mentioning them in the description box so you can check it from there also. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started into the video because what are we waiting for? Christmas? Take two mangoes and then cut it as shown. You literally have to draw the horizontal and vertical lines like this and then just scoop out the whole thing. Now add it into a blender, add 1 tablespoon of sugar and then 1 glass of milk. That's it, your mango shake is ready. You may top it with some more mangoes if you want to, otherwise just drink this as it is. That's it. So that's it for today guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please like this video, comment down below. Also share it as much as you can with your friends, with your family, with your loved ones, with everybody, okay? And also please subscribe to my channel, please, and press the bell icon so that you get notified every time I show my face, okay? So yeah, I'm telling you from the first day to subscribe. You haven't done yet. Why? Do it. Do it. Okay, that's enough. Okay, so yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe, yeah, and love you all.